Hi George, welcome back to your English classes with your favorite teacher, Teacher Eleni Castro. Today is Tuesday, May 25th, and what we're going to do today is very interesting. We're going to learn about archaeology. But what do you think archaeology is with watching those pictures? I see some people like digging something and doing some stuff. They are like in a desert, in a jungle or ruins. They are like exploring something. Uh, Here's a jar, and the girl is cleaning it up. I don't know, but there's something. They are doing something there. So let's see what it is. So archaeology is a science that studies the human life only by looking things that we made. For example, the cell phone. In the future, if somebody finds it, it will be an archaeologist. What is the job of an archaeologist? Well, like I told you, uh, it's a science where they discover things from the past that humans made, jars, knives, and all that. Why do they do that? Well, they do it so they can know the time that the people they live, the time of that civilization or people live can be in the prehistoric time, in the Egyptian time. The years it depends on the material that that thing is made of. He, they can also know about the government that they have, what kind of arts do they did, the religion that they believe, what kinds of technology they have, and what science and inventions do they make. So they work, archaeologists work in ruins like these ones, in deeps in the jungle, remains of villages, dangerous deserts, and also in underwater like here. They explore things that or explore things that were from the past. These to discover things about us or about the people. It's a very dangerous job, but it's very interesting because they are like detectives. They need to find clues to learn about our past. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I only want to introduce the topic with you. We're going to see a lot more of this tomorrow. I hope you have a great day. See you on Wednesday. Goodbye.